Low choir pad, sub riser, brass swell. Mail. Edges of the world.
We call them home.
Dust on my shoes from a long, loud road. Every note turned ballast to hold my load. Sleep was a rumor, faith was a flame. I kept it cupped till it learned my name.
Skies wouldn't open, so I stitched a seam. Pulled down dawning, wore it like a dream.
Count your breath, steady the light.
Nerves like wires spark the night. Fear draws borders on your skin. Step across and start again. Crown the horizon, 808s rising, breaths like sunlight, quiet surprising. Crown the horizon, let the dark reside. Write your victory line by line.
I'm the thunder you can't confine.
I'm the calm that sharpens time. Crown the horizon. I kept a map of broken tries, folded tight behind my eyes. Turned each crack to golden thread, over a bridge where doubt had bled. I'm not the storm they warned about. I'm the shelter born from doubt.
If the gate won't swing,
We forge the key.
if the way is thin,
We wide and free. Crown the horizon, beats like steel.
808 truth you taste and feel.
Crown the horizon,
Let the skyline kneel, watch our names turn real. Crown it, own it, no retreat. Beat, boom, 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 repeat, beat. I was the echo in an empty hall.
till we filled it with a human call.
I was the spark that feared the rain.
I was the rain that eased the pain.
Together we're the weather change. Together we're the weather change.
Quiet stacks, filtered 808s, ticking hats.
Name your fear.
Let it